everybody? I want to start off this video by apologizing for the sound quality. All the microphones I have been ordering seem to be failing me, and I am working diligently to get this resolved as soon as possible. So bear with me here. And as always, I really do appreciate all the support you guys give me through all of this. I won't forget. Thank you. It's a dark and stormy night, and as I sit in my room contemplating if I really just want to remember. I want to remember the good times and try to forget all the bad, but I know that's not how it works. I'm sitting here pondering in my own mind, not knowing what I should do. I've always kind of been like this, living more inside my mind than I do in reality. As I sit here, drowning in my own sorrow, there is a bright light, lightning, and it makes all the lights in my room flicker on and off. I didn't really notice it because my room was already pretty much dimmed down and dark. But all of a sudden, I heard a voice, a strange voice I had never heard before. Hello. I see you need a little bit of help. Do not worry, my child, for I am the one who unlocks all, from your earliest to final days. I unlocked repressed and recent. If you think you've forgotten, then think again. I hold the keys to everything and anything since the beginning of time. I even unlock time in itself, because whatever you want to feel, hear, taste, or see, I can show you and let you relive those times again and again. Simply close your eyes and call upon me, and I'll be there in a snap with my keys dangling. I'll unlock anything, whether that's happy nostalgia or dark fear. Whichever you choose is up to you. Just remember, once I unlock a memory, it cannot be undone. So be careful, choose wisely, for you have been warned. I am the Locksmith.